Hi friends, my name is Angela Lamb. I am the director of the award-winning health documentary, Un-Inflame Me, Reversing the American Diet and Lifestyle. I am also a certified health coach and personal trainer, and the director of the soon-to-be released award-winning docuseries called The Art of Natural Healing, hosted by Dr. Muhammad and Dr. Krishna Muhammad. Today, we are going to make a yummy, easy green smoothie recipe that is great for breakfast or really any time of day. So all it entails is spinach, cucumber, coconut water, and pineapple. Spinach has many valuable nutrients, such as A, C, K, magnesium, calcium, as well as manganese, which helps with healthy bones. Spinach has also been shown to help with eye health, oxidative stress, and blood pressure. Cucumber is great with hydration. It is 96% water. It also has many valuable nutrients such as potassium, vitamin C, K, manganese, and magnesium. Some research has found that cucumbers also help with blood glucose levels, as well as complications of diabetes. Coconut water offers a sweet base, is super hydrating, and offers more potassium than 4 bananas. Pineapple has calcium, manganese, is rich in vitamin C, and also helps with digestion. All right, so let's get started. First, we're going to add the spinach in to the cup. Then take the cucumber, split it in half, insert it into the cup as well. Frozen pineapple, place that in. And make sure it's past the line, and then add the coconut water. Close it all up. Insert and power up. All done? Now enjoy.